Hello friends! Is your car having trouble starting, misfiring, or losing power while driving? You scan for trouble codes and find P0377, but what does it mean? Scene 2, explanation of P0377. This code is related to your engine's timing reference signal, a crucial part of how your car determines ignition timing. If this signal is faulty, it can cause serious performance issues and even prevent your car from starting. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0377 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's begin. P0377 stands for Timing Reference High Resolution Signal B, Intermittent Erratic Pulses. Scene 2, Technical Explanation. This means the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is detecting an inconsistent signal from the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. These sensors are responsible for tracking the position of the engine's rotating parts and sending that information to the PCM for proper ignition timing and fuel injection. Scene 3. Consequences of erratic signal. If the signal is erratic or cuts in and out, it triggers P0377, leading to various engine problems. Scene 4. Symptoms of P0377. Common symptoms of P0377 include check engine light is on, hard starting or no start at all, engine misfires or rough idling, loss of power and hesitation while accelerating, stalling at low speeds, and poor fuel economy. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's time to check the sensor location and wiring. Scene 2. Identifying key sensors. The main sensors involved in this code are the crankshaft position sensor and camshaft position sensor. If these sensors fail or send incorrect signals, your engine timing will be off, and the PCM will log P0377. Scene 3. Inspection points. Key locations to inspect. Crankshaft position sensor. Usually located near the crankshaft pulley, harmonic balancer, or flywheel. It's often mounted on the engine block or bell housing. Camshaft position sensor. Typically found on the engine cylinder head, near the timing cover or valve cover. Wiring and connectors damaged, corroded, or loose wiring can cause an intermittent signal, leading to this error. Powertrain control module. A failing PCM might be unable to properly read timing signals, causing this fault. The exact location depends on your vehicle's make and model, so refer to your repair manual. Common causes of P0377, faulty crankshaft position sensor. If this sensor fails, it can send erratic signals to the PCM. Defective camshaft position sensor. A malfunctioning CMP can disrupt ignition timing. Loose or damaged wiring. Broken, corroded, or shorted wires can cause an inconsistent signal. Bad sensor connection. A loose plug or moisture buildup can lead to signal interruptions. PCM malfunction. The PCM may misread signals if it's failing or has software issues. Timing chain, belt issues. A stretched or misaligned timing belt can cause erratic sensor readings. How to fix P0377. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to check for related trouble codes. Step 2. Inspect and test the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for any damage or loose connections. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure proper voltage supply. Step 5. Inspect the timing belt or chain for signs of wear or misalignment. Step 6. If all else fails, check for a possible PCM malfunction and reprogram or replace it if needed. Step 7. After making repairs, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive your vehicle. Ignoring P0377 can lead to major performance problems, including complete engine failure. Check your sensors, wiring, and timing system as soon as possible to avoid costly repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0028, intake valve control, solenoid circuit range performance, bank 2, P0052, HO2S, heater control circuit high, bank 2, sensor 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.